In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recurring meeting in Outlook. So I'm starting here on my desktop and I'm going to open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook opens and I'm looking at my inbox, I'm going to move down to the bottom left corner and click on the calendar icon. That switches the view from email to your calendar, and this is where you can create and manage meetings. Now that I'm in the calendar view, I'm going up to the top and clicking on New Event. As soon as I click that, a new event window opens, and this is where we'll set everything up. The first thing I'm going to do is add the attendees, so I'll click into the To field, and then I'll type the email addresses of the people I want to invite. As I type, Outlook may show suggestions, and I can click on those if they match who I want to add. Once the attendees are in place, we can move on. Next, I'm clicking into the subject field, and this is where I'll enter the name of the meeting. I'll type something that clearly describes what the meeting is about. This helps everyone know exactly what they're attending when they see it on their calendar. Once that's done, I'm going down to set the start time and the end time. I'll click on the start time field and choose the date and time I want the meeting to begin, and then I'll do the same thing for the end time. You can adjust these depending on how long the meeting needs to be. Now that the basic meeting details are in place, this is where we make it recurring. I'm going up to the top ribbon and clicking on Series. This opens the recurrent settings, and here you'll see different pattern options. This is where you decide how often the meeting repeats, like daily, weekly, or another pattern depending on your needs. I'll go ahead and select the pattern that matches what I want. As I click on it, Outlook updates the recurrence based on that selection. Once I've selected the pattern and everything looks correct, I'm going down and clicking Save. As soon as I click Save, Outlook applies the recurring pattern to the meeting. Now the meeting isn't just scheduled once, it repeats automatically based on the pattern I selected. You'll be able to see it appear multiple times on the calendar according to that schedule. At this point, the recurring meeting is set up, and all the attendees you added will receive the invitation with the recurring schedule included. Everything is now organized directly in your Outlook calendar, and the meeting will continue repeating exactly as you configured it.